A man from Madhya Pradesh, Burhanpur, has built a house modeled on the world-famous Taj Mahal. But unlike Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, this local replica is not a monument of love per se. Its owner says he wanted to spread the message of love, communal harmony, and pride of Burhanpur, which is associated with Mumtaz Mahal, reports PTI. This Taj Mahal replica was constructed by Anand Prakash Choksey, who runs an educational institute in Burhanpur, where Mumtaz Mahal had breathed her last. The Taj Mahal in Agra, often cited as one of the wonders of the world, was commissioned by Shah Jahan to act as the tomb of Mumtaz Mahal. The magnificent Taj Mahal house is constructed on an area of 8,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms located on 2 floors, a mediation hall, and a dome over 3 years, said Choksey. He didn't reveal the construction expenses but said it didn't cost him much. Choksey said he built the home modeled on the original Taj Mahal not only to give the message of love but also of brotherhood between Muslims and Hindus. Another reason for erecting the Taj Mahal replica in Burhanpur was that the city is associated with Mumtaz Mahal, he said. We run an educational institute in Burhanpur where 1,500 to 1,700 students are enrolled. Also, many children from neighboring areas and even from abroad are studying in our residential facility. Parents coming from far-flung areas used to ask us about the speciality of Burhanpur, and therefore we decided to tell them about Mumtaz's history by constructing a Taj Mahal in the city itself, he said. When asked whether he has constructed the Taj Mahal home as a gift of love for his wife, Choksey said not just to give the message of love but also of brotherhood, as both Hindus and Muslims have been living in this historical city in harmony and love each other. That is why I decided to construct a house similar to the Taj Mahal so that people coming here will come to know about its historical value. He said the Taj Mahal replica is located on the campus of his institute overlooking a hospital and a school near the district collectorate. When asked whether his wife had asked him to construct a Taj Mahal-like home for her, Choksey said she never did. But when he decided to construct the same, she insisted on having a mediation hall inside the replica. According to him, the Taj Mahal home is designed and built by local experts and marble work was done by artisans from Agra. As per historical accounts, Mumtaz Mahal died on the Shahi Mahal in Burhanpur in June 1631. Her mortal remains were preserved for 6 months in a grave known as Ahu Khana before they were shifted to Agra, where the original Taj Mahal was later constructed. Local historians said Shah Jahan initially wanted to build Taj Mahal on the banks of the Tapti River in the Burhanpur district but chose Agra due to some reasons. Ahu Khana still exists in Burhanpur, but it is not maintained as per its glory, they said. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.